do in the application. It will ask you to select your favorite leagues and teams. And if you don't want to do that, you can go ahead and skip. But you're gonna go ahead and select your favorite teams. You can see here, and add and select your favorite leagues as well. Well, I'm gonna just skip all of those process. But this is pretty much the home screen of the application. Here, we're able to see all the matches being played today. As you can see here, you have a lot of matches being played, and it will automatically swipe across as it relates to matches being played. As well, we can scroll down and see all the leagues and matches being played in some of these leagues. As you can see here, you have the Jamaica Women's League with Jamaica scoring 1 and the other team scoring 0 goals. But as you can see, you can scroll and pretty much look at the scores and so forth for each league. So at the top here, you have the live option. These are matches that's being played at the moment, as you can see here. And you can see as well how much each team scores and so forth. So the news option gives you updates as it relates to football or soccer, not the other one where you kick the ball in the air or whatever the case is that is. But anyways, news updates on this here will give you everything that's going on in the football world. As you can see here, a lot of transfers, a lot of players being injured, who have scored and so forth. Will give you all of those information. As well, you have the short section. We'll just show you a preview of, like this feature here. We'll just show you a quick preview of matches. May not be able to show for you guys because GDPR privacy policies won't be shown. But anyways, that's pretty much how the application works. We'll just show you quick highlights of matches being played and so forth. So nothing much for that there. You have the watch option, being able to see highlights via YouTube. As you can see here, have highlights for matches that's been played already. And these are pretty much up-to-date matches that's been played, which you can see in the matches section here. And you'll be able to tap on any one of these matches or highlights. These are not the full match. And keep that in mind, these are highlights of matches. So all of you just select whichever one you want to watch, and you pretty much will be redirected to it. So that's really pretty much it for the application. Very easy to use. You can tap on the settings option here. If you want to keep a track of a team or a competition or any player at all, you can always go in the favorite section here, add them to the section, and you'll be able to add favorite team or a favorite player to your watch list and be able to keep a track of those players or teams. So very easy application to use, and if there's anything at all, just let me know in the comment section. See if we can help you. See you in the next one.